My first name is Randy Lee. I work for Qualcomm, and today I would like to show you the LTE's advanced demo. And this is the demo here. Is basically we show the extending the benefit of LTE Advanced to the unlicensed spectrum using the licensed access we call LAA. So basically, this is the as you know that LTE here we use on the licensed band. We can use the same thing for the regular LTE, and as we refer to the primary component carrier (PCC), and on the licensed side. On the unlicensed side, we refer to the SCC, secondary component carrier. So with the LTE Advanced here is the benefit that we want to show you between the Wi-Fi and LAA, and we also met all the features like the listen before talk. And for the features, CCA and the COP is in place. And the main important thing here is we want to show the fairness to other Wi-Fi with the coexisting Wi-Fi. So we want to show that we are a good neighbor. We're not impacting the Wi-Fi at all. But in the meantime, we show the capacity gains. And what it all does about it here is we want to show the network capacity, then user experience. Because all users standpoint already care about the throughput, or again with the higher data rate throughput. So in here, we have like 5 different steps, and we're going to show you through all the steps here. So as you can see, the first step, which is all the Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's all the Wi-Fi nodes. And you can see the color here, Wi-Fi, it's all Wi-Fi. The reason we show the Wi-Fi here is just for the baseline. You see what is, let's say in the deployment, we have all Wi-Fi. How much throughput are we getting now? And then the next step, we show you the difference between each steps. So right now, you can each Wi-Fi, and this is the color here is still one deployment, like one operator deployment A, and then the pink color is deployment B. And each node here is like 12 megs. And each node, they can see each other. Basically, they can hear each other pretty well. So that means they have to know when to listen, when to talk, when to transmit data, so they don't collide, avoid the whole collision here. And then we have another node here, just a Wi-Fi. This is standalone Wi-Fi. So this slide we show that, okay, this is the Wi-Fi. We are a good neighbor. We don't want to impact this guy. So that's what the whole thing for here. And the next step is the LTE LAA Wi-Fi. So if you notice here, if we go to these steps, okay, so we go these steps. Everything will be the same, deployment A, everything the same, deployment B, except this guy we convert to LAA. Why? We want to show the difference between the node with Wi-Fi and the node we will convert to LAA. You can see the throughput is totally different. You see 13 or before here, and now we convert to LAA, we get 19 megs. And do we impact the Wi-Fi? No, Wi-Fi remain the same. We don't impact the neighbors, the Wi-Fi neighbor. So that is the first steps. Now, if you can see, if we go to the next steps, basically I was increasing the more LAA node. So right now, the second step only do one LAA only. Now the third step, I'm gonna make the 3 nodes LAA. So the deployment A will remain the same. Deployment B, so these cell, remember the last step, these 2 will be Wi-Fi, right? Now we convert to the LAA. So all these 3 nodes, 1, 2, 3, become LAA now. So look at the throughput. You get 20 meg for each. Significant performance throughput increase. And the Wi-Fi, slightly even better. Before it was like 11 something, now it's 12 meg. So we're not impact the Wi-Fi at all. And then we go to the next steps. So the next step here, we want to make all of them become the LTE LAA. So you can see now deployment A and deployment B, they convert from the Wi-Fi to the LAA. So you can see everybody is increasing. And guess what, the Wi-Fi, the neighbor is still doing even better. We were like 12 meg, 13, now becoming 14. So the whole thing is we show we are a good neighbor. We're not impacting Wi-Fi at all. Why? Because we can see each other. We know when to send, when to transmit, when to listen. That's the benefit. The main point here, we want to show for operator, we want to show the network capacities we increase and increase the user experience. And now the last steps, we want to convert. Here, it's all Wi-Fi, all LAA, but let's say this is the last step, we don't have Wi-Fi in place. let's say we're in an area where we only have area only, no Wi-Fi, so we don't really, impact neighbors. What happened? Significant increase was 20 meg. Like now, since there's no Wi-Fi, it becomes 40 each one. Can you see the almost like network capacity increase big time, right? So without the Wi-Fi, even with Wi-Fi, we're still doing good, and we're not impacting Wi-Fi. And without the Wi-Fi, we're doing even excellent. That's the whole purpose of the game, that LAA, compared to the Wi-Fi. And then another important point here is LAA. We had the better coverage compared to Wi-Fi, and also mobility is more robust, seamless mobility, hand over.